What is really out there? The students wanted to know what it is the day-to-day somebody within the technology field does and what it is that later on they would be doing. Considering the jobs currently within the industry are changing dramatically, there's a need to ensure that current generations of students are going to have the required skills for the industry.
Within the School of Computer, Data and Mathematical Sciences, Western is engaging students and ensuring that assessments are authentic, giving students a real opportunity to engage in real-life problems and work together with industry.
So as a part of this engagement, students worked with Nintex to improve business processes within the university. This project gave us an opportunity to develop the ecosystem which brings together academia, industry, government, and the community, through which students are able to learn, research, innovate, and solve real business problems.
It was a very good learning experience, learning how process managements work, seeing how it works in the industry, working with industry leaders in this aspect, and the Nintex system as well. It's amazing to work with. It was a very good learning experience, I think, for all of us.
This class, it wasn't like textbook knowledge. It was like you putting up the practical experience into the real world ideas. Like the 2 scenarios we were given were really in-depth.
The feedback that we got, it was actually helpful in order to improve us in the future, all the mistakes that we have done.
I'll learn the real world experience because I had to go to a PA, academic program advisor. I had to go to student services to ask questions because I had so many questions.
It was a great experience, like having this subject, and it helped me to working in a group settings.
Technology, how we can evolve and how we can make it better in order to improve the process. So that's a really great one.
I think something that really stood out as well, not only what we had to say, but the way we did it, the process we went through the entire semester really, I think, showed out there. Our group had good chemistry and, we put a lot of time into it, and I think really shows in presentations like that.
We learn a lot more about how we can work together in a team, and we also learn about using the Nintex process manager, which is pretty fun to learn.
Making sure that we can split up the work equally, making sure that we have a strong stage presence, I guess. Yeah, stuff like that is really important in the future.
When we talk about digital transformation, we need to think about what that means to us as an individual. There's no point in digitizing a process or anything just for the sake of it. If we're focused on technology and not the people element and the impact that we're actually doing with the digital transformation, we're not going to achieve what's actually required.
Looking back at when I was a student, don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're asked to do something, but the way in which you're asked to do it just does not make sense, speak up. Find what I call a change champion. Find that person who will actually help you make that change.
What we don't often get to see is the students themselves and how they interact with our services. What was so valuable for us was not only hearing directly from students about things that we can do better, but also putting faces to the name and reminding us of the value of the work that we do. It was so important to watch students as learning things that will be relevant to their jobs well into the future.
To quote Steve Jobs, is look at the customer experience first and then work backwards to the technology. And to me, that's all about process, and how we do things is at the heart of transformation. So bringing those two things together, that the student experience needs to be at the center of everything we do, and transformation is based on the heart of how we do things. I think bringing those two things together means there's a really great opportunity to look at how we can both contribute to the experience and the success of our students, and at the same time look at how we can do better, how we can provide better outcomes for students, and to use technology as an enabler to transform the way we do things.